Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Ventureboat. My name is Kelly. I'm up here in Crown King, Arizona during a stage 2 fire ban and the sun has set. That doesn't mean the party is over. What I have here is the Ignik Firecan and we're just getting started. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and I've got tons of overlanding content just for you. Now what we have here is the Ignik Firecan and their propane bottle with the cover included. And this thing is really, really nice. I'm gonna start with the Gas Growler Deluxe in black. Now this thing has been on 3 trips with me and it is rock solid. I have had it in my new drawer system here, which has a bed liner coating on it. And this has sat in there and just rubbed all over that bed liner, which has got a lot of grit to it. And it's showing 0 signs of wear. This thing is very, very impressive. The Ignik bottles themselves, they're standard for the industry. However, they're really nicely made. The valves work really well. I like the trim. It's got edge trimming over everything, so nothing is gonna scrape or grab. It's really nice to hold on to. They're very, very nice, durable bottles. I really enjoy using them. All right, now let's get to the fun part. This fire can is awesome. It's basically a 50 cal ammo can where they've cut it up and recoated it and put propane burners in it, and it just rocks. Let me show you how it works. Start by unzipping the top of the growler. On the fire can itself, all I'm gonna do is pull the legs out. The legs are built into it. It is not an accessory. And now it's sitting off the ground. And a lot of national parks actually require this to be off the ground by a certain distance, and this will meet that standard. Inside the fire can, I store the hose. Remove the Velcro strap. Insert this end into the growler. Remove the rubber nipple on the gas inlet on the fire can. Remove the safety plug. Plug it in. Now this part is very important. You must remove the lid before using this. All it does is you slide it all the way off. There's also a gasket in this that will melt if you were to leave this on there, so you definitely don't want to do that. Now you just turn the gas bottle on. I can hear and smell the gas escaping from the burners of the fire can. These long, big lighters work great for this. Just stick it in the hole, lights right up. You can control the output with this red valve here. You can see as I lower it, it lowers down. And I can crank it back up, and this is pretty much as high as it goes, where the flame is just coming up over the top of the fire can. The fire can isn't just an awesome fire pit. It is great for sitting around the fire, drinking a beer. However, it serves more than one purpose. It's actually great for making food. You can absolutely cook hot dogs on a stick. You can make s'mores on this. However, I will tell you from firsthand experience that if you make s'mores on this, expect to be cleaning marshmallow out of the burners. Ask me how I know. Now, this also is great for keeping bugs away. Up here in Crown King, the mosquitoes are just out of control, but when I'm this close to the fire, the bugs are not a problem at all. I don't know of an exact burn time with this unit. However, I'm sure you can get at least a few hours at it. I've heard people doing 2 hours and still having half a tank left, so I would give it a good 3, maybe 4 hours pushing it on a medium heat. However, you kick this thing up, I guarantee your bottle will be gone in probably an hour. But this thing is tried and true. The 50 cal ammo can has been proven to be sturdy over years and years and years of use. I don't see an issue with this thing. I guarantee it'll last years and years to come. Now the cutouts on the sides are not just for fashion. They actually allow heat to escape, so you get more heat radiating out of the unit, which is really cool. Although it does allow it to not be waterproof. So with the lid on it, you can still get water in there and get water in the burners, which means if you're taking it rafting, then you're gonna have to drain that water out of the burners, which probably won't be that big of an issue, but again, that's not my wheelhouse, so I really don't know for sure. If you guys are in the market for a fire can, a portable fire pit, something you can use during a fire ban, then this is a great option. The Ignik Firecan, along with the Gas Growler Deluxe in black, of course, because it's awesome, is a great option. Be sure to check the description below so you can get your own little awesomeness here. And this thing, I can't speak to how awesome it really is. It puts out a ton of heat for the little package. The little side vents actually allow the heat to radiate really well. Even me not being over it and just being off to the side, I can still feel the heat radiate out the side. This thing is very, very cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and I will see you guys next time.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
Hi, baby, it's lit.
Perfect timing.
That I feel that our love is real.
Perfect timing. Coffee for you, fire for me.
I just wanna love you right. Love it till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I
Nice.
wanna
Bring in the
take you
heat.
there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so